Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Old Harbour main road. We are driving from Old Harbour to Gutters in St Catherine. Now, between Spanish Town and Old Harbour you have a lot of communities. So that's the road that we're driving on today. The major towns are Old Harbour and Spanish Town, but between the two towns you have a lot of districts and small communities. So this was actually the main road back in the day before the highway was opened. So we're giving you a tour today to show you what it looks like. So this is the Old Harbour main road. This actually runs from Old Harbour back to Spanish Town. And you're going to come across a lot of growing communities. I'll point them out to you, like Innswood, Bernard Lodge. And the thing is, there is no entrance or exit to the highway from here. Spanish Town has an entrance and an exit, and Old Harbour has an entrance and exit. But between the two, they have no exits or entrances for Highway 2000. So if you're on this road, you have to either go to Spanish Town and get on the highway, or go to Old Harbour and get on the highway. And that's becoming a serious problem because these communities are growing. Bernard Lodge is going to have over 10,000 homes in it soon. And these are new homes being built. Innswood, thousands of homes. So I'm hoping the highway, I don't know if it's NROC who owns the highway or Trans Jamaica Highway who operates the toll on the highway. I don't know who is responsible for the toll plaza or building the entrances and exits. You can see a lot of development along the main road. And even with the highways, this road is still very busy. One, for logistics, and two, you have to pay to use a highway. It's a toll road. Here you can see a development going up on the right. We'll keep you guys updated on it. And guys, remember we have two other YouTube channels, actually three. We have Driving in Jamaica, we have Jamaica in 5, and we have Drone Tour Jamaica. So you can check those out for other videos like this. And we actually have up development, like videos of the construction of the roads and developments also. So check it out. Alright, so we just passed through Gutters and we're now on our way to Innswood. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We're actually entering Innswood shortly. So remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.